Okay, so we have here accounting view. There is a small change. They have added two more fields. There is a future price and future price valid from. I don't know why they have added it, how we are going to use it, but see, if it is a moving average price, it will get calculated automatically. If it is a standard price, then we have to do the costing to just recalculate the price. Now, if we are entering the future price and we are entering the future price date, whatever price you enter here and the date you enter, system will take that price and that take date for the very inventory valuation. It will take it that price and that date for your inventory valuation. So these two fields they have added in your uh, S4 HANA. These are not available in ECC. Future price and future price from valid from. So these are the accounting changes, which small change only. It's not a big change as such, but they have added that field. Now, how to use that field in projects, we have to decide now. New material type SCRV has been added. We have done what is a SCRV. We have seen the comparison as well. SCRV with UNBW and SCRV with NLAG. Okay, so you can check what is the new functionality we have in SCRV. So till now, services we were not having any material type, but they have introduced the material type as a services for the new material type for the services. Followed by that, there is one more thing which I just wanted to highlight you guys is sorry. Okay, why this is coming? This is coming because of your material ledger. Remember, multiple currencies can be done because of your material ledger. Uh, where is my price? Oh, I can't see it. In accounting one, when I go here, then the price control to V, then 25 minutes price. These are two new fields. I was just checking for my moving average field. The moving average field, I can't see the moving average field here, basically. But I was checking the moving average field that is not at all available here. So if we compare this with the ECC, I'll just show you quickly. Standard price is okay. So price control is okay. We enter the price control. Based on that, your inventory value gets calculated. But these two fields are new. Also, the moving average field, which was there in ECC, they have now removed that particular field. They have removed that particular field as a moving average, and they have introduced as a future price. This is what I can get. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Mm, Transport description. 88. Basically, this is a test. Someone has messed up with the messages. They have hard coded some messages. Okay, so usually what happens in the accounting view, uh, we have so we have here this one. I was referring this part. Okay, this is there as it is, but this is not there. So what they have done with this is I have not seen this field in the S4 HANA anywhere. Instead of that, what I'm seeing it is standard price is as it is. There is no problem with the standard price, total value, price unit, price control is as it is. Standard and moving average, there are two price control. But future price is there, but future price from. Oh, it's strange. My mistake then. I thought they have added this as a new one. Valid from and future price. Let me see what is this EHP, because if it's a EHP 8, then it's a problem. CHP 5. It's my mistake. I guess these are the old one only.
No, Kishore, we need to confirm because already in OMS2 we had a difference with that MP and like that it should not be that we need to be sure.
Yeah, I can recheck this functionality again. This too, I'm a little doubt.
Because in OMS2 that is missing.
So you mean to say in the S4 HANA there is no concept of moving average price?
I have not seen that field, the moving average price in S4. I'll just recheck. I'll just check that part, but I can check the other system as well. Just give me one sec. I need to get rid of this. This is my mistake. So let me check the other system. I have one S4 system. If some see the problem is I need to reconfirm with the multiple system because people this is a test systems. So people play with it. So I have 3-4 systems, so it's okay for me to get it reconfirmed with some at least one system will say some value.
Is it possible that someone has suppressed that field in OMS2?
That may happen. Otherwise, someone has deactivated that functionality. Material plant description. Ah, then why it is not available? That was a strange. Two strange things we have observed today. One is the MPN functionality. So some later, if you people can log in and check with your user ID as well if your the NPN functionality is working or not. Okay, and there is a one more setup in the metal type. Okay, metal type is let me see here. Where is my moving average price field? So, give me 1 sec, guys. I'll see. Oh, okay. This is what I have written here. This one is very important. Okay, the moving average price has been renamed as a per unit price in HANA. Okay, see, earlier it was not coming because we were not maintaining it. Once I maintain the moving average price, this particular field is appearing. So instead of moving average price, what they have done is they have rewritten the name as a per unit price. They have written name as a per unit price. Per price unit is different. Price unit is different. Standard price is different. Per unit price, they have maintained it as a per unit price as a 1,000. Okay, so the moving average is there, but they have renamed it as a per unit price. This is I have noted already here, renamed as a per unit price in HANA. Okay, after that, migration pre-check for all.
Kishore, they are renamed anything with respect to flow change, that is moving price to per unit price, any difference in flow or anything?
No, the background no change. Okay, because it's automatically updates. It is used for inventory valuation. Again, it depends on the price control. Just they renamed the field into per unit price.
Okay, fine.
We
Okay,
will not
okay.
see as a moving average price here.
Fine, fine, fine.
The next one we have is you need to in the migration projects you have to ensure all your Z report program table views structure bodies wherever there is a material we have used. Okay, those are being enhanced to length 40. Those are being enhanced to length 40. So material has been changed from 18 to 40. So all your custom reports bodies enhancement wherever you are used it, you have to ensure those gets working properly. Those should not, if required, you have to change the data type. Okay, the length from 18 to 40 there. So that is the impact which will happen during the migration. That's the major impact for the migration project when the material length has been changed. Okay, after that there's a one more thing which I wanted to add you into the session is a product type group. In material type configuration there is a field known as a product type group. There are two types of product type group they have defined here in SAP. There is a one for material and two for services. What is the significance of the field is, I'll just show you here. Go to OMS2, OMS2 material type configuration, go to the SCRV. It's available in all the fields. It's not only for SCRV material type, but it's available everywhere. So this field I am referring, product type group. This is not available in your ECC, but it is available only in the S4 HANA. So what happens if the material type belongs to the material, then you have to use one. If the material types belongs to services, you have to use two. So based on the product type, some of the fields are open, some of the fields are hidden, some of the fields get mandatory. So this is again one type of field attributes they have provided. Okay, if you use services, then the service provider field gets open up in the material master. Something they have done some changes on the field perspective when you use the product type. For services, you have to use two. If it is a material, then you have to use one. Okay, if it is a blank, then it's applicable for, it's a general compatible mode where it is assume it's maybe both. So this is the new field which is added in the material type. So if you go to the material type configuration, there are two more important things. One is the MPN functionality, and then another is the product type group. Remember, okay, MPN functionality and product type group. So here it completes our material type setup. Okay, whatever changes I have known in the material type, we have discussed here with respect to the MM. Okay, there are still more changes we will be discussing when we go to the MRP and the PP stuff. Okay, so when we learn module wise, then we will discuss it further. Okay. BP we have done. Whatever changes in the BP is done. There is no vendor master we are going to use directly. Instead of that, we are using the BP. NPN functionality done. Now we have a info record and quota. Info record and quota. Info record quota I have already told you. The quota indicator from the purchasing has been removed. Quota indicator from the purchasing has been removed. So if you maintain the quota, system will by default consider the quota. If you don't maintain the quota, system will not consider the quota. Okay. Now info record, there are 2 to 3 changes, small changes which are done in the info record. Okay. I'll just show you what are the changes done in the info record. Inco version field. Okay, so what is this version field? You have incoterms. So incoterms get changed based on year, 2 year, those get changed. So you can maintain a version. Inside version, you maintain the incoterms. So inco version can, this is a new field they have added just to it doesn't have any impact as such. It's just for your information only, where you can capture your incoterms which is applicable for that version. So if you see here, you can mention incoterm 2000, 2010. So year wise you can add it to your incoterm versions, and those versions will have the incoterms. What are the incoterms applicable on that version? Okay, so this is one incoterm version they have added, followed by incoterm location 1 and location 2. These are the two fields they have added. This is just for the information purpose. It's a free field, 100 characteristics, where you can enter the long text. Earlier it was only 30 character length, but now they have added two field with the length of 100. Okay, so this is the info location 1, info location 2. This is the additional changes. Followed by, they have added one more checkbox which is known as a automatic sourcing. What does the automatic sourcing does? If you tick this automatic sourcing checkbox, then during the planning, system will consider this info record. During the planning, system will consider this info record, or it will prioritize this info record as compared to the other info records which does not have the indicator ticked. So if you tick this indicator, system will consider you during the planning. System will consider you during the planning. So we have a auto sourcing indicator. This is the info record change we have. Quota, I have told you. Source list, there is no such changes they have done in the source list screen. Source list screen, they have not done any changes. So we are done with the source list, quota, info record, material master, and BP, that is a vendor master from the material perspective. In the next section, I will start with the PO. What are the different changes in the PO? What are the changes in the release strategy? What are the changes in the pricing in the PO? Those all changes we will start from the PO perspective, mostly from the PO perspective, purchasing. Okay, then simplified data model in the purchasing, followed by the inventory management, and followed by the invoice verifications. Okay, this is quite straightforward till now, but now we will see. We'll see the pure stuff in the next class. Any doubt?
Hello,
Yes.
Kishore. There is no changes at in material table level, right? With respect to concern.
Material table means which table you are referring?
Mara,
Obviously,
MARC.
the length has been changed. That is a major change. Okay. If you come to the MARC, what will happen in MARC? You have that MARC plant specific valuation tables are changed little bit. Then you go to your MARC, then your quota indicator has been removed completely from your MARC table. So these are small changes they have done in the Metal Master. I will not say as a big one. There are few fields added. Shelf life they have changed. Again, shelf life it will be MARC table where it's a plant specific data. Shelf life they have changed, and then they have added few more fields in the MRP areas. So there are changes in the material. Okay, tables. The changes will be like they may have changed the field name. They may have added the few fields more. They have removed some of the fields. So such type of changes they have done.
Kishore,
Okay,
Mara
fine.
MRC data all will be all available in that table for HANA. What is the table? That BU00 something, right? All data will be there, right? BU or something, if I'm correct. That table.
No, that is the BP master you are talking.
Yeah, that.
Like you are, but
So that
here we
covers
are referring
Mara.
metal
No,
master.
that covers Mara. That doesn't cover, sir.
No, no, no. Those are different master data, right?
Okay,
Those
okay.
are that belongs to the BP. This is belongs to your material
Yeah,
master
yeah. It's
part
missing,
one.
but I thought, okay, okay, fine. Yeah.
There are changes in each tables. What type of changes? Either the length has been increased or few fields they have removed it, few fields they have added it. Such type of changes. Whatever things which I observed from the perspective, I have written in the spreadsheet. If you guys think there are some further changes, you can just add those points so that the spreadsheet is referred by everyone. Okay. See that this spreadsheet is referred by everyone. So I have in Google Drive this spreadsheet is available. You can use it. You can add anything whichever you want. You can add it, just don't delete anything, just add it if you want anything. Okay, it's always editable for you. So I will just keep adding it here as well, and I will add it in the PPT as well. Okay.
Letu, Param, Abhilash have a lot of questions. Next week, each one will have 50-50 questions there.
Yeah, you can add it because it's good to have questions. Okay, any questions?
Not on my side, no.
Okay, then we'll stop for the day and then we'll continue next week with the purchasing. So MRP, it will take 2 more weeks to start. So before that, if you want to have an overview from the ECC side, so someone can do the presentation, I'll be also joining that. Okay, so let me know who is going to do the MRP presentation and when we will plan it
I
accordingly.
think we need to see from outside someone. I think so. Because Param and
Check with
Abhilash,
Amol if Amol can deliver it.
Amol also, he's a MM guy. I don't know if he knows full MRP. I'll check with
We
my
don't have to worry on fully MRP. The basic is more than sufficient. We are not doing APO here. So let's
team.
see. It's still we have a sufficient time to do the MRP. It's not like next week. It will take 2 more weeks to do the MRP because I need to complete part first and then I will do the MRP.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sure.
Let me
Thanks.
try. Let me try. So I'll get back to you.
Okay, that's nice. Nice of you.
Yeah, by Wednesday I'll confirm because I'll do some homework and I'll get back to by Wednesday. So
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
fulfill.
sure. Sure, no issues. Okay, thanks all. Enjoy your rest of the weekend. We'll see you next Saturday then.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah, I'll chat to you, Kishore, regarding the rebate. I'll go
Yeah,
through it during the week. Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure. Rebate and revenue recognition, both we can discuss it whenever needed. Even I am
Yeah.
also interested in. I'm more interested in RAR. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Thank you.
Happy
Thanks a
with
lot.
biryani.
Bye.
Enjoy with biryani. Bye bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.